I want to create a little park area at this end of the suburb section, and I want to use these steps. So what I had done is I removed this styrofoam base piece and put my steps right there. But I didn't like all that table exposed, and I thought most of it would be covered up, or I could cover most of it up with my snow blanket, but I just didn't like all this thick styrofoam base showing. So what I think I'm gonna do is put my little styrofoam base piece back, and then at the end here, I've already traced around my steps. I'm gonna carve into the styrofoam so I can get the steps to kind of sink into that styrofoam. I'm not gonna go all the way to the bottom of that piece of styrofoam. And then I'm gonna put my little welcome to our village sign right there. So I'm gonna take this piece and my steps out to the garage and start carving. I have the steps embedded into the styrofoam now, and add my little welcome to our village sign. And now I can finish creating the rest of my park area.